jury's choice. Novicell elegantly exemplifies a crucial truth. The editor experience remains uncompromised even in constructing a DXP architecture incorporating a DXO layer. This perspective is paramount in large-scale setups, and Novicell executes it beautifully. This website is a world-class example of how beautifully executed design, grounded in robust primary research, delivers real value for the client and users. The design is alive without being noisy. The conversion rates speak for themselves, and the organization of a lot of content makes sense and is easy to navigate. This is a site I just want to continue exploring. Yoyo displays how society's goal of reaching net zero emissions can be worked into a web solution in a phenomenal way. They achieved a 96% reduction in web page CO2 emissions and ensured that not only is the solution optimized to have as low impact as possible, they considered the whole value chain and hosted it on a renewable energy as well.